Hi everybody, it's Bea again from Beaquilter. Sorry I've been kind of missing and not doing my tutorials for a while, but first I got the notification from YouTube that you can't monetize videos since I don't have enough subscribers, so that kind of bummed me out. And I had just had a bunch of family stuff going on, and having a little one around prevents me from having a lot of quiet time where I sit with my computer. So anyway, I have it now. It's nap time, so I can show you a little bit. I wanted to show, I had some questions before, I don't know, months ago. Somebody asked me about importing fabric into EQ, and I've done a tutorial in EQ7 on how to do that, but I'll do it again right here. So let's say I'm starting off with a plain quilt right here. It is actually a one patch layout, just in case. Right here you can do horizontal, you can do on point, one patch, and I adjusted the hexagons, whatever. Anyway, so I want to import some fabrics. You go up here, you do fabric library, and then you can import it here. But first you gotta find the fabrics that you want to import it from. So I pulled up Andover Fabrics. It can be any website, any fabric company you want. You may have to do a little bit of searching for the fabric, where to download it. Sometimes they have them grouped together like a zip file instead of sitting here and right clicking and saving one fabric at a time. I had, if you go up here and click quilts and downloads, just took a while to download, but the whole collection is right here. You download it as a zip file, and then I had it as a zip file right here. I opened it, and here's all the fabrics. You can't see them. I copied them, I pasted them into EQ. So I have EQ8 right here. I will have, let's see, fabrics 2018, or right here I have Andover. However you want to organize it, whatever works best for you. I try to kind of keep them by date or by name. And Andover, I then did a subfolder, Sunprint, called Sunprint, like the collection. And then here I have all the fabrics. So again, in the, let me go back out again, libraries, fabric library, I then say import from image files, and I will then go and see here, the EQ8, I have Andover, I have Sunprint, and I'll do control A, select them all, open. It'll take a little while, and it'll pop right up. See, it's loading. There's some big files, I guess. And here you go. Here they all are. I'll then control A again and add them all to the sketchbook. Then when I want to go in and design, I'll do my fabric tool, and they're all the way to the left right here. So you can kind of see where the black ended, and then here's that. So right now I have 5 in a column, so there is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 29 fabrics. So see, you can color randomly. Let me see. Oh yeah, this one. You can also do the line if you want to just do rows of the same color. Maybe. Like that. Let's say I want to do that. And you can keep going. I guess I forgot the blue. There we go. So it's easy to color the whole quilt like this and see what it would look like. Well, you get the idea here. See me, I can't stop. Oh, I selected the border too. That's okay, I'll fix it later. Did I do this one? I don't think I did. Maybe I'll do this one. let's see. Missing a green. Try that one down here. Is there another green? Turquoise. Did I do that one? Let me see. Oh, I guess I did do that one. Oh, it doesn't matter. Maybe I want to repeat it up here. I don't know. Well. And then why not? I'll do control and just add in all the borders. Sorry, I gotta click that one. And then, there we go. Now it's all the borders. So now I can go in and if I export, sorry, I want to print the yardage and then preview it. It'll show right here that I need anywhere from 1 yard to half a yard. And there's a couple of the spots that I forgot to color. So then, boom. Well, it'll be a big quilt. So, but anyway, that's how you import the fabrics, and it's easy to then do it and play around. Thanks.